Okay, here is another translation. We're going to stick with the same propositional atomic propositions here. Dan wears a mustache, I'm going to represent as M, and Dan wears a goatee, I'm going to represent as G. So given those two atomic propositions, we can translate this complex sentence. So this complex sentence says Dan wears either a mustache or a goatee. So the way we represent that is with a disjunction. The or is a disjunction, right? In the disjunction, we're going to use a wedge. I'm just going to use the lowercase letter v. So literally, how we'd represent this sentence is Dan wears a mustache or Dan wears a goatee. And that sentence captures what our original English sentence says. So that's the answer to number 2. Let's look at number 3. Dan wears neither a mustache nor a goatee. Now you have to think about what's being said here. If you think about the meaning of this English sentence, that he wears neither a mustache nor a goatee, ask yourself, according to this sentence, does Dan wear a mustache? The answer should be no. Ask yourself, does Dan wear a goatee? The answer should be no. So one way of representing this is with the negation for not. So it's not true that M stands for Dan wears a mustache. So not M, because we know that he doesn't wear a mustache according to this sentence, right? Number 3. But we also know, we're going to use a conjunction, because the sentence also says that he does not wear a goatee. So one correct translation of this sentence, Dan wears neither a mustache nor a goatee, is the following: not M and not G. Another way we could do that same sentence is like this. We could think of it as a negation of a disjunction, like this. So this says, again, it's not true that Dan wears either a mustache or a goatee. So this not, which is the main operator here, is saying that this disjunction is false. So the disjunction says either he wears a mustache or a goatee. The negation says it's not true that he wears either one. So those are two different ways. These are each correct ways of translating our original sentence. Dan wears neither a mustache nor a goatee. So you can see that with complex propositions, like number 3 here, there could be multiple ways of correctly translating that complex proposition.